Hi, this is David from Adventures in Land. In this video I will show you my progress using my Legion secret after 4 months of using the system. So I'll go to Affiliates, Downline. As you can see, I now have 12 upgraded members in my downline and 3 affiliates. So 3 people who have quitted the system. If you look at the commissions, I have now earned a total of $182 since the beginning and $51 for this month. I must say that the month of February was pretty hard to recruit people. In February I only recruited 2 people, but in March it's getting better and I think I've recruited about 3 or 4 people. And since the beginning of this week I will switch to promote ClickBank products. I want to see if I can make more money with ClickBank products. So I think that my downline won't grow very much during the month of April. So that's all for that quick video. You can subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. You can also leave a thumbs up. So bye!